If your mind races and your chest feels tight, you are not alone. Anxiety can feel overwhelming, like your body is stuck on high alert. Today, I'll show you 7 natural techniques to calm anxiety fast. These are simple science-based steps you can use anytime and anywhere. They help your body feel safe again and allow your mind to finally slow down. I am Dr. Robert Carl. I have spent years helping people understand and regulate their nervous system without relying only on quick fixes. In this session, you will get both the science of how anxiety works and the practical steps to calm it fast. Stay with me until the end, because I will share how you can discover your unique anxiety profile and know which tools are most effective for you. Let's begin with the first technique, breathing exercises. When anxiety takes over, your breath becomes shallow and fast. This keeps your body stuck in fight or flight. But when you slow your breathing and extend the exhale, you activate the vagus nerve. This nerve is your body's natural brake pedal. It tells your heart and nervous system that you are safe. Here is how to do it. Inhale gently through your nose for 4 seconds. Exhale softly through your mouth for 6 to 8 seconds. Repeat for 2 or 3 minutes. You will feel your chest loosen and your thoughts begin to slow. Now that you've learned how to use your breath, let's move to the second technique, grounding. Anxiety pulls you into what might happen in the future. Grounding brings you back to what is real right now. You do this by using your senses. Place your feet firmly on the ground. Look around and name 5 things you can see. Notice 4 things you can touch. 3 you can hear. 2 you can smell. 1 you can taste. Within a minute, your brain receives proof that you are safe in this moment. Now that you've started to calm your breath and anchor your senses, let's go deeper into your body. This third technique is called body scan meditation. Anxiety often hides in places we barely notice: tight shoulders, a clenched jaw, a stiff neck. By scanning through your body slowly, you bring gentle awareness to these signals. The act of noticing itself begins to release tension. Try closing your eyes and moving attention from head to toe, naming what you feel: warmth, heaviness, or tingling. This simple awareness tells your nervous system it's safe to soften. Now that you've listened closely to your body through the scan, it's time to release the restless energy that anxiety often leaves behind. One of the most effective ways is through slow, intentional movement. When you stretch, walk gently, or practice simple yoga flows, your body sends signals of safety back to the brain. This doesn't just ease tension in your muscles, it actually tells your nervous system that the threat has passed. Try standing up right now, rolling your shoulders back, or taking a short, mindful walk while matching each step to your breath. You'll notice the restless energy begin to soften. Now let's move into the fifth technique, progressive muscle relaxation. Unlike the body scan, which is about noticing sensations, this one is active. You deliberately tense and then release muscle groups, teaching your nervous system the difference between stress and ease. Try this. Clench your fists for 5 seconds, then let go. Do the same with your shoulders, your jaw, and your legs. With each release, your body learns that it doesn't have to stay on guard. Next, let's try the sixth technique, the cold water splash. It may sound simple, but it triggers your body's natural dive reflex, slowing the heart rate and calming adrenaline. Think of it as a quick reset button for your nervous system. Try this. Splash cold water on your face for 30 seconds or hold an ice cube in your palm. The sudden sensation interrupts the anxious spiral and brings your body back to balance. And finally, the seventh technique is mindful journaling. When your thoughts won't stop circling, putting them on paper creates distance and clarity. It's like unloading the weight from your mind so it doesn't keep spinning. Try this. Set a timer for 5 minutes and write without editing. Just let the words flow. You'll notice your thoughts feel lighter and your nervous system has more space to calm down. Now that you've learned 7 ways to calm anxiety fast, let's put it all together with a quick reset you can try right now. Sit comfortably and place your feet firmly on the ground. Feel the support beneath you. Take a slow inhale through your nose and a gentle exhale through your mouth, longer than the inhale. Do this 2 more times. Now, clench your fists for a few seconds and release. Let your shoulders soften as you exhale. Notice the difference. In just 1 minute, you've shown your nervous system it is safe to relax. If you felt even a small shift just now, imagine what's possible when you practice the right techniques consistently. But the truth is, not every method works the same for everyone. Your anxiety has its own pattern, its own profile. That's why I created a free 3-minute quiz to help you discover your personal anxiety profile. It reveals your unique pattern and gives you a science-based next step to overcome anxiety. Click the link in the pinned comment or in the description and take the quiz now.